This is the Hovsco Hovbeta foldable e-bike. And isn't she beautiful? I love this color. But I am going to bring you closer and show you everything it's got. This button right here is how you're going to turn it on. It has a 5-level pedal assist, and the plus button, you're going to push that to make it go up, and the minus button to make the pedal assist go down. Right here is the button for your headlight. It has this great big display here, and so many features are on it. It has really nice grip handles here and easy to reach brakes. And it comes with a pedal assist. So if you are tired of pedaling or want more than just the pedal assist, you just take your thumb, push this down right here, and you are on your way. On the right side, you have the 7-speed Shimano gears, and then on this side, and of course on this side also the great grip with the easy to reach brakes. And look at these tires. They're 20 by 4. And again, I live in Minnesota. Today is a beautiful day, but you know, we get snowstorms, we have rain, mud, everything to get through, all the different types of weather. And these tires are going to get you through anything. And of course, the all-important disc brakes. Right here is the front fork suspension. And the saddle is like ergodynamic. Is that what they say? It doesn't look very comfortable. I didn't think it would be, but it actually is. And of course, it's adjustable. It has a sturdy kickstand. It has a back brake light. Right here is where the motor is housed. And it's foldable. So right here is where you're going to fold it. And this is always so nice. So the battery is housed in the bike there. And there's the key to lock it. If you turn it, it'll pop right out so you can charge it. Or you can charge it in the bike. Or you can lock it so no one can take it. And right here is where you can just plug it in to charge it. To fold it, you're just going to push that up front there and pull that out. To fold the handlebars down, again, you're just going to take this, pull this up. Hovsco Hovbeta 20-inch foldable fat tire electric bike comes in 2 different colors, red and purple. It has a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of 60 miles. It's recommended for people 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 3 inches and has a max load capacity of 450 pounds. It has a 1300 watt upgraded brushless gear hub motor, which helps conquer hills faster, conquer all terrain easier, speed up quicker, and experience a stronger ride and better comfortable riding. Torque sensor pedal assist systems measure the amount of power you are putting into the pedals, and it will increase or decrease the electric assist based on your pedaling power, providing a smoother acceleration, better hill climbing capability, and improved energy efficiency. Powerful 750 watt motor is coupled with a 720 watt hour high capacity integrated battery that ensures a long life expectancy and distinguished performance. The Hovsco app lets you sync your e-bike information and register your warranty. It's a great tool to see your speed, travel time, odometer, and trip. It also has a walking mode, which is very helpful for people living in complex terrains such as narrow paths and steep hills, making it easier to push a heavier bicycle. It only takes 2 steps to fold the bike and put it in the trunk. With its adjustable stem, seat, and step-through frame, it allows different sized riders to use the bike easily and improves overall comfort when riding on rough terrain. All Hovsco electric bikes enjoy a 14-day return policy, and certain specific parts are provided with a 2-year warranty service, providing after-sales protection for consumers. Hovsco cooperates with a large number of offline dealers to provide consumers with test ride and maintenance service, facilitating users to experience and maintain the vehicle. And now we're ready to ride, but always, always, always be safe and wear a helmet. You want to protect your noggin. All right, let's go. What a great ride. This bike is so sturdy, but it rides so smooth. I highly recommend. So Hovsco has given me a code and a link so you yourself can get one of these at a discount. I'm going to put all that information below so you yourself can get yourself a Hovbeta foldable e-bike. And how convenient that you can fold this up and just put it in the back of your SUV, your car, your trailer, anything, and you are on your way for your own adventure. You know what I say? You don't have to buy a van and live in it to have an adventure. Just get yourself one of these and you're on your way to multiple adventures. All right, you know what to do. Go out, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything. You can just get yourself one of these. All right, call someone you love and don't you dare, don't you dare forget your magic. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.